What's up guys, Jet, Trask Performance. This is a new project we have going, twin cam FXR 124. This is for a local customer of ours. Mark Bradshaw owns the Hideaway in the Roadhouse up in Cave Creek. Nick will be riding this on the hot bike tour. We're gonna get this thing pimped out. We got our frame back yesterday from Willie and Patrick over in Coating. And we're gonna throw the transmission and the swing arm in, get everything taped up so we can put the motor in once that's done, and get ready to get rocking.
I don't even know what day this is. Fucking, we have 4 days left to finish this bike. It has to go to Sturgis. What I've been working on is wiring it. We got the NAMS EFI harness with the Thundermax already on it, and we're trying to wire all speedo controls, ignition, indicators, headlight, turn signals, and we're trying to make it work with this 124 twin cam, and we have 4 days to do it, and this is where we're at. Cross our finger. All hands on deck. No other projects going, but we'll get it done. This is, I mean, it's a lot of work, but we can get it. We'll stay late, come in early, all that. Maybe just stay late, but not coming early. But yeah, maybe just stay late. But yeah, I'm almost done with the wiring. I'm gonna start in the back, then we'll start putting all components together. Hopefully paint gets here on time, and then a couple little last minute parts that are on order, and that's the only thing that will hold us up. Everything else, like butter.
I'm feeling good. We got plenty of time. So I'm fitting up the body panels, fitting the dash. We kind of sent this stuff out to paint before we got everything settled on the bike. So we're making sure stuff fits and working together. So I'm working on the body. Annie's finishing up the wiring, and got a couple days left. Hopefully get this thing tidied up and get at least one day of road testing and off to Sturgis. So come check it out. It's a 124 twin cam and an FXR P frame. This is like an OG P frame. So we kept some stuff original with the fairing and the gauges and the ignition up there, and tweaking a little things. This one's got mids and, you know, a sport dash on it, but it's gonna look cool. And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
This has been a joint process. Got all my techs here, Manny, Jet, myself, Landon. We're all here. We finished all our service work, stuff that we were obligated to get done prior to leaving for the rally. Everybody chipped in, stayed late, put in whatever time was necessary. And I actually had my doubts, but it's coming together. And well, we're gonna fucking make it. That's it. I think the whole thing started about 6-7 weeks ago. This was a trade out deal that Nick made on a nice Softail that we had sitting around here, and got this bike in a box, basically. It was an FXR in a box. The chassis had been modified for a twin cam already, but that was really about it. It was, it was a bit of a chore, but we took the motor down, checked it out, set it up for a turbo, powder coated tranny, bunch of missing pieces all over the project. I just had to get everything in and make it work. Truck's leaving today. It's still before noon, so whatever, we're rolling on it. Got the clutch together, motors together, turbos on it, and it's got a couple last minute things to do. We got to check the wiring over, fire it up, heat cycle it, and toodaloo on the truck.
We got the bike to Sturgis. We have some electrical gremlins that we got to work out. We're doing it after hours from when we're at the tent installing. So we only got, how many days we got left?
It's got to be done Saturday afternoon. Today is Thursday evening. We're gonna work on a basic electrical, lighting and stuff. We have tail light, headlight stuff, but it's pretty straightforward, simple, just 12 volts in ground. And then we're gonna get into the running aspect of it. We got some gremlins and ECM with 5-volt signals and stuff like that. That's a little bit more complicated. We got Landon here to help us with that. And we got Thundermax here at Sturgis to Rapid City to we need them. So we have the tools we need. We just need to focus and move forward.
I've been living on the sand. Don't take much to guide my hand. Far from promised land on the sand.
did we do last night? What happened last night? We worked out all the electrical gremlins. We fired the bike up. We got one heat cycle done. Now we're gonna button it up and get it ready for a test ride. But another heat cycle first and then the test ride. It was kind of like, what was it like? Kind of like tense. It was tense at first and everybody was kind of like, ooh, this is gonna be a long night with a lot of electrical stuff. And then we got all the gremlins worked out really quick. And then we got it to fire up after a couple of tries. And so everybody was super excited. Now we're just buttoning it up. And we're gonna just get it ready to be able to test ride and just shake it down, make sure we don't have no leaks, make sure everything's going the way it should, and see what happens. But we're very confident in the way it ran and the way it started, so hopefully it rides that good too. But mechanically, it feels good. Like the brakes feel like the rear ones worked like shit first, but they came on, and now they feel better, and they're like responsive. I went on the freeway, but I couldn't get really high because I would get to like a certain RPM and it'd be like, and so I had to shift up. So I didn't get to go, you know, like higher. Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, mechanically she feels good. Just that tune, like in the higher RPM.
I can plug into it right now.
Yeah, plug into it, motherfucker.
No, I mean, she wants to go. Like I feel like she.
I think you really just say that.
What? What I say? Just over here, living the dream. This is a dream, guys. This is what the dream looks like. I could have been in an office, like probably sending emails and like.
Could have went to work for the city.
Yeah. Oh my God, I could have been.
Retired with a pension.
Yeah,
right
I would have been close to retirement right now. But no, I was like, no, I want to be cool. I want to be cool, like, yeah.
Like the motorcycle guys.
I want to be like Indian Larry. And look at that. Yeah, look at this. Oh, look at this.